making the most of each and every day.
Great opportunities of work and play,
Both in the classroom and out on the field,
raising winners who are born to lead. SSVM Residential School, where dreams take flight and hearts are open wide. Yeah, SSVM Residential School,
a vibrant space where passion comes alive, to grow and flourish in the path of life, with guidance, support, and goals in sight, helping young minds excel and thrive.
SSVM Residential School, ever shining bright, climbing greater heights. Yeah, SSVM Residential School.
SSVM Residential School.